Undertale by Toby Fox. There's a tutu lying on the ground here. Will you take it? I will take it. You got the old tutu. And the tutu info, the old tutu, yeah, finally a protective piece of armor. Use. You equip the old tutu. And then we're gonna put the bandana in here, and then we're gonna take out the ice cream. Whoa! Almost got it. Also, fun fact here, if you are doing Genocide Run and go up like this and behind, yeah, see where Papyrus is right now, he will be there still, but like further to the left as a spirit. Just watching this. I fought them valiantly. Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard on dying, but in the end, I failed. You're going to take the human soul yourself? But undying. You don't have to destroy them, you see. I understand. I'll help you in any way I can. There's no response. There's no response. Nobody picked up. Yo, no. 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 Oh, fuck. She's watching. Man, we're already at waterfall and we're only 2 hours in. There we go. Flex. You flex. He flexes traits his heart. Attack increases for 2 of you. Flex more. Oh, he's speeding up. Flex. You flex harder. Flex. He flexes himself out of the room. What is that? What color? There's a lone fish sitting underneath this bench. Will you take it? Yes. You got the abandoned fish. Sorry if you hear my keyboard, by the way. Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu? Yes. So you are wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink wink. Have a nice day. Isn't this the Undyne part? Well, fucking run. Fuck. I'm running for my fucking life. Alright then. There he is. Did you see that? Undyne just touched me. I'm never washing my face. Okay, buddy. Are you unlucky? If you were standing just a little bit to the left, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. I love how I don't talk. Like she's... Or they... The sheets have been here so long, a magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from a mystical creature, it fills you with determination. That's true, Cooler. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery, but I bet you knew that already. Because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing, a dusty tutu. Because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. This is why you're safe, and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Being friends with everyone is easy. Sure, Papyrus, sure. Don't be friends with everybody. Yo, you got an umbrella? Awesome. Oh, great. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats the bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was gonna beat me up. So, one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers. He ended up coming to school and teaching class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers. Yeah, sure, buddy. Sure. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person. You sure about that? She tried to beat me up. You're not innocent. The fuck you mean I'm not innocent? I've spared everybody. I've spared. I haven't killed anybody. No one is? Okay. Okay, buddy. Frisk is innocent, though. I mean, they haven't done anything wrong yet, so... Yeah, I want to see Undyne. Me. Thank you, buddy. You'll be innocent if you buy the Tem Premium Flake. Oh, no. Here comes the Undyne part. It's 1K. I think it's this way. It was gonna save me in the Sans fight. Oh, I hope you saved that pie for the Sans fight. It's gone. No, not the pie. You just saved the pie for the fight, Eva. It came like it sounds like it came from over here. Oh, you've fallen down, haven't you? Are you okay? Here, get up. Amor, huh? That's a nice name. My name is what? Tim Flake Better? Well, okay, buddy. We'll see. We'll see there. You on stabbing people? I'm not stabbing people yet. I mean, if we finish... I think we might finish Undertale this stream. Maybe. Because Mercy Run doesn't take that long, honestly. I think the Megaton area and ta-da! Leave me alone. To imitate to fight me, huh? I am a ghost that lives inside a dummy. My cousin used to live inside a dummy too, until you came along. When you talked to them, they thought they were in for a nice chat, but things you said, horrible, shocking, unbelievable. It spooked them right out of their dummy. I'll scare your soul out of your body. Ghosts. Am I fighting you, ghosts? Is that who I'm fighting? Talk. You talk to the dummy. It doesn't seem much for conversation. No one is happy with this. You dummies! Watch where you're aiming your magic attacks. Hey, you! Forget to say anything about magic. I'll defeat you and take your soul. Mad Dummy glares into the mirror, then turns to you with the same expression. Nah, this guy's a jerk? Yeah, you're right. I'll stand in the window of a fancy store. Then everything I want will be mine. Oh shit, what the fuck? Yeah, I guess that'll have been my cousin. What was their name again? Whatever. Fuck. Foolish. Futile. Feeble. Hey guys. Oh, dummies. Remember how I said not to shoot at me? Well, failures. You're fired. You're all being replaced. Now you'll see my true power, relying on people that aren't garbage. And we're gonna heal here as well. You eat one half of the bicycle, you recover 11 HP. Dummy bots, magic missile. Ow. Oh, I missed! Come on! Finally. Oh, fuck. No, no way. These guys are even worse than the other guys. Who cares, who cares, who cares? I don't need friends. I've got knives! I'm out of knives. But it doesn't matter. You can't hurt me and I can't hurt you. You'll be stuck fighting me. Forever. Forever. Forever! Oh god. Oh god. What the f- What the heck is this? Acid rain? Oh, forget it. I'm out of here. You got your knife. Oh no, Eva. Sorry I interrupted you, didn't I? As soon as I came over, your friend immediately left. Oh no, you guys look like you were having fun. Oh no, I just wanted to say hi. Oh no, you saved me, buddy, come back. Well, I'm going to head home now. Oh, feel free to come with if you want. But no pressure. I understand if you're busy. It's fine. No worries. Just thought I'd offer. Eat the unicycle, you recover 11 HP. Then I'm gonna go back and get this. You got the astronaut bit. Hey, my house is up here, in case you want to see, or in case you don't. You feel calming tranquility, you're filled with determination. Do you want to play a game? It's called Thunder Snail. The snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you'll win. It's 10G to play. Sure. Press E repeatedly to encourage your snail. Come on! Come on! Did you hear my keyboard that time? Looks like you encouraged your snail a little too much. Oh, that pressure to succeed really got to her. Yes, I did. Don't do that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Special enemy Temmie appears here to defeat Temmie. Temmie only wants the Temmie flakes. No, so hungry. No. Oh my god. What the fuck? Fuck. Temmie forgot her other attack. You flexed at Temmie. No, muscles are not cute. Oh, I have to disagree. He's back. No. Just the two of us, huh? Flex. He flexes himself. He's back. He died when I flexed on it. Was my saddest kill. He won. Flirt. Hug. Your speed decreases. Oh fuck, I feel so slow. You need some distance. Unhug. I have its boundaries. He was down earlier, yeah. It was down earlier? Okay, so I have to go back? Is that what you're saying, Eva? There we go. No stab. No stab. We're not stabbing. No stab. And there you go, he's gone. He's gone. We're safe now, I promise. Oh yeah, this is Temmie Village right here, right? Yep. Temmie! Temmie! Welcome to Tem Shop! Whoa, you got sticks! I haven't had that stick, but I got paid for colleague. Town always wants sticks. Welcome to the Tem Shop. The Thames. Tem? You know, you mean Tem pay for colleague. Eva, Amor just sold your toy knife. I did. I did sell your toy knife. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I had to. So, you know, this is the expensive Tem Flake. Did you mean you paid for college for Tem? Is that what you meant? Is that what you did? It's hard-boiled. Feeling of being watched. It was premium, no calling? Why is mine... Mine's less though. See? Look. Mine's way less expensive. Undertale by Toby Fox.